Don't roost me! We stalled it. Don't roost me, bro! Come on. Oh, no! I'm in the trees! Oh! Woo! I'm getting off the hill. Look at the starting line. Not much of a line here. I just rotated the camera when I'm filming.
My brother. That's technology.
I know.
That is
Life 360. Life 360. So talk to you later. Now, first competitor of the night. How are we feeling, buddy?
Feeling good.
Let's do it. Let's go beast mode on him.
Rick,
Yeah.
Melon.
Rick, Melon. This is the line right here. It's looking good. This is the bike that Johnny Rivera set on fire at Dallas Coliseum, and Rick Mellon had to rebuild it from the ground up. So, woo! All the way up, all the way up. Yes! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! What a start! What a start to the beginning! All the way to the top next time. Oh yeah, baby. Second rider of the night. Hey, it's great to see you guys. Great to see you guys. MotoSport.com. MotoSport.com. Interesting line choice here.
You look flat. Well, that might be good, Doc.
To the top! To the top! Oh! Oh! Bad line choice! Bad line choice. Oh no!
All right.
Oh no! R.I.P. the white shirt! Dang it! Dang it! Here we go. Rider number 3. Don't know his name. Oh! Not much further. We're kind of getting stuck on the. I honestly think the guy on. Oh yeah! I think the guy on Rick Mellon's bike got the furthest so far. So I think he's gonna take the crown. We haven't made it past the main crest. Oh no! I'm gonna get a little bit higher on the hill if I must. I know this guy, Jesse Buchanan. Great guy. No lie, former UFC fighter. We stalled it. Don't roost me, bro! Come on. Oh no! I'm in the trees!
I knew I should have done second gear.
Hey, I said don't roost me, but took me out with the bike.
Try not to, bro. I'm sorry, bro.
Hey, still love you, man.
Let's go run.
I'm gonna get down from this spot. I'm not gonna stand here no more. I grew up with this guy. It's my buddy Jordy. Let's go, baby. Come on, Jordy. Yes! Yeah! Oh! Yes! Woo! Woo! Oh wait, you're not here. This is a previous champion. Owner of Miserable Clothing. He's gonna bang a lot of rev on him. Bro! What are we doing? I'm not sure what the decision was up there. He stopped. He's at the same line as Rick Mellon. He's at the same, Tobias. Yeah, baby. Yep. Yep. The next bike has got a little bit of a rattle to it. I'm not sure if it's gonna make it. But he's doing it. On the way to the top, there we go. Yeah, no, baby. He's got it. Oh no. I'm choking on all the roost I just got hit with by Tobias here. Hang on, you're on a rock, bud. Hold on, hold on. Yeah, it's gonna mess up the trajectory. Oh no, man. Oh no. Dang it. I really believed in him. I think he can do it.
Big Reekers.
Come on, get over here, get him hyped up. Yeah, woo! Come on, here we go. Oh no! That's the first backflip we've seen, folks.
Okay, I heard that.
You know, that'll kill a subframe, kill a pipe. Oh! Woo! I'm not sure of this gentleman's name, bless his heart, but he's here to compete. So far, Rick Mellon's my favorite. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa! I'm getting off the hill. Getting off the damn hill. Son of a. Come on, let's get amped up. Yeah. Rick Mellon. I was telling everybody.
With you, please.
That's the bike Johnny Rivera burned down at that hotel at Dallas Supercross. That's the bike. But he's out here competing today. All the way to the top, man. All the way to the top. Yeah, it was good. Clear it out like he did before. It started to hook up halfway through. You're good. You got it, bro. I almost had it, man. He was right there. He is almost took me out with the bike, man.
I know.
Hey, almost only catching.
I'm a little sketchy sometimes.
So that's the thing is we're going short right now.
It's working
But we gotta go up higher. We gotta get to the next. Yeah.
You belong at the top.
You're right there,
We
man.
belong at the top.
You're right there. You're right there.
If you had to
The clear it out a little bit more. Don't have the clutch in when you clear it out. Rev it hard, clear it out, then click it in, then give it more revs, and then go. You're stuttering a little too much at the base, not giving you a good jump. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Well, that last stutter was because when I dropped it,
Yeah.
I was a little bit too far back, so it locked on me, and it's like, oh boy.
It's a rocky start. You can get to the top, bro. Get to the top, man. Come on, Bolt. Let's go. Hey, let the bolt out, man. Come on. There, man. Everybody wants to tell him to go to the top because if he makes it, then he secures a spot in the finals.
I mean, he is still standing though, ladies and gentlemen, so it...
Get that same line right up the right there. You got it, bro. You got it. You're right on point. You got it. Hey, clear it out before you hit the clutch.
This is the last of the heat races. Main event's coming up.
Oh yeah, we're locked in. We're focused. We got this. We got this. We got this. Yep. Yep. Wrong line. Wrong line. Wrong line. The bad line choice. I told him it's not the one I told him to do. A bike's running wide open. Oh no. Oh no. That's what he got?
They got 625.
625. Okay, 625. 625. Yep, he's up. He's up. He made it. He made it.
What do I got 7.45.
Come on, find some speed, Bolt.
Yeah.
Find some speed, Bolt. Yeah. Yeah.
6.5, 4.5. Yeah, dude, he won.
Breakers one.
So 6.
There's gonna be some major controversy right now. They're gonna get so mad. They're gonna get mad, bro.
The guy, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, guys, we got some
All
bad,
right.
Bad news. You got third.
bad
What
news.
everybody
Phone
needs.
didn't work.
Anderson Block taking the number 1 place. Sea Riders
I think that was wrong. That was wrong, I thought.
Nick Reeder taking.
First place, second place, third place. Plus up. Time to hit the whip contest, I guess.
All right.